Imagine an ancient emperor who wanted to build a capital city that would allow his dynasty to last for 1,000 years. He sought not only the greatest architects of his time, but also mystical advisors who could read the energy of heaven and earth, the Feng Shui masters. What they handed him was not an architectural drawing, but a cosmic blueprint. Today, we are going to explore one of the most mysterious architectural complexes on Earth. Built according to this blueprint, the Forbidden City in Beijing. The design of the Forbidden City hides a profound philosophy: to perfectly align the human order with the cosmic order. It begins by solving one of our most fundamental human insecurities. Imagine you're standing on an open plain, with cold winds blowing from all directions. You would instinctively feel tense. The ancient masters first built a hill to the north of the city, Hill. This man-made mountain of support, like the solid back of a majestic chair, provided the entire Forbidden City with eternal shelter, blocking the harsh winds from Siberia. Next, they channeled a winding river through the city, the Golden Water River. This river, like a jade belt embracing the waste, not only softened the sternness of the architecture, but more importantly, in the dry north, it created an open, moist and vibrant prospect. A solid backing behind, an open vista in front. This is the ultimate ideal layout we seek in our own homes. And in the Forbidden City, this principle was magnified to the grandest scale. This might sound monumental, but the design of the Forbidden City teaches us 3 timeless wisdoms we can apply to our modern lives. Secret number 1. Always find a mountain of support for your life. In the 2 most important places, behind your bed's headboard and your office chair, always ensure there is a solid, stable wall. This is the simplest way to gain a sense of security and support on a subconscious level. Secret number 2. Create negative space in your line of sight. Don't push your desk or sofa directly against a wall. Leave a clean, open area in front as your bright hall. This empty space is where you leave room for the future, for opportunities and for wealth to flow in. Secret number 3. Find and protect your home's central axis. The path from your front door to the core area of your home should be kept clear and tidy. This is your home's energetic artery. When the artery is unblocked, the entire home can be filled with vitality. The Forbidden City still stands firmly in the center of Beijing today. Perhaps it is reminding us that a space that exists in harmony with nature itself possesses the power to resist time. This wisdom from the ancient emperors is worth learning for every one of us. Go and build a powerful configuration for your own life, with both solid support behind you and a bright future ahead. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease. In our next episode, we will continue to unveil fascinating Eastern aesthetics. Thank you for watching.